I did not go. I did not go to the other side of the world. I'm just here because I want to be here. I don't know if she wants me to be here, but
not really.
But
she wanted to come over to my house because she likes our food.
Yeah.
This is Ava.
Yeah.
So, I am covering, today I'm covering our third destination in Asia, which is Hoi An. My dad wants me to pronounce it right, and I don't speak Vietnamese, so I can't. What we did was, we got to Hoi An and we walked through all of the lanterns, like we went out at night. And we also had street food, and Natalie had another frog. I tried the frog too, and it just tasted like chicken. After that, we went to Marble Mountain, and we explored, like, all the caves, and that was really cool, and it was sweaty, humid, hot, so that was awesome. We also went basket boat riding on, like, a river. It was cool. I liked that part. That part was probably one of my favorite things. So, Hoi An is famous for, like, its tailors. We went to a bunch of tailors, and my sister got an Aozai, and my dad got a suit, and I got some pants.
They're her favorite pants, by the way.
They're not my favorite, but I really like them. Entertain them while I grab my pants.
I don't really have much to say, but I think my beauty suffices for all of that.
Enough. I'm back. These are my pants. They're cool. I love them. They're green. I'll put them on later, and then here's what they look like on. Modeling. At the beach, it was like the water was Hawaii warm. And on the way back from the beach, it was like pouring rain. So we were biking in the rain, and I couldn't see anything because I have glasses, so, you know, when it's raining, you know. Anyways, it was really cool, and Hoi An was definitely my favorite part. Cue montage. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the things that we did in Hong Kong, Saigon, and Hoi An, and I know you enjoyed Ava very much. That's it. Thanks. Bye.